Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay, and this is a special Rants and Raves edition. I'm joined with Adam Schmidt, who's the Executive Vice President of Sales, Marketing, and Service for Planar, as well as Steve Seminario, my old great friend from Planar, who's the Vice President of Product Management. Gentlemen, how are y'all doing?
Doing great. Thanks, Gary.
Great. Thanks, Gary.
Hey, that's a beautiful display behind you. Look, here's the thing. Y'all been in micro-LED as long as anyone, and of course, Planar's in our industry has probably been, I would argue, one of the, if not the most supportive LED company of our industry, meaning the Pro AV industry. So I want to congratulate y'all and thank you for being such a big supporter of the LED market. I'm kind of curious, Adam, first off, sort of give me a status, kind of state of the market of what's going on at Planar.
It's been a great year. It's been a busy and productive year. We've seen a lot of back to school, back to work, back to play, back to trade shows. We've had some wonderful opportunities to connect with our customers where we've demonstrated a lot of new LED technology and new applications of that technology, like virtual production, extended reality. But throughout it all, we've been deploying micro-LED. We've been leaders in micro-LED from the beginning, and it's been a great year.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people, honestly, I don't know that people know this, that you are, I think you've been actually delivering from stock micro-LED longer than anyone. I mean, of course, we all went into the other big brands' booths for years and saw their micro-LEDs, but those were all one-off, multi-million-dollar installs. In your case, you've been delivering long, so it's almost a year and a half now, right?
Exactly. Yeah, Steve and I were talking about that this morning. It kind of catches up in a hurry, but yeah, it's been a year and a half since we deployed our first micro-LED wall, and we've seen really steady growth throughout, and the products are better than ever today. So it's an exciting time for that space in the market.
Yeah, by the way, if anyone wants to know kind of what the state of the market of micro-LED is, within Planar, there's a blog that you just posted that I just had a chance to read. It's interesting the direction y'all are going. I don't know if I should direct this to you, Adam, or Steve. I know, Steve, you're the tech. Every time I have a tech question, you answer every my tech question, but you seem to know a lot about market. I would say that it's odd that you're announcing that you're lowering the prices of micro-LED when the gas prices and the food prices and the everything prices are going up. I don't know how you're able to pull that off.
Yeah, it is kind of contrary to what's going on around the globe. And the reason we're able to do that is really starts with our strategic investment several years ago in micro-LED technology, packaging, production. So there's vertical integration, which has really helped our cost structure, as well as just volumes. You started out with kind of volume of 0, and that's ramped up globally a lot. And so that's helped as well. And then for Planar, it's a strategic. Micro-LED is strategic, and so we want to make it more accessible to more customers, and that's why we've done this price decrease.
And that went into effect actually September 1st. So you're 15 days into it already. But micro-LED, I think in the beginning, everyone looked at this as like the ultimate high-end, very high-end application. But in your case, with the price structure that you have and the options that you have, it can go into a lot of different applications, can it not?
Yeah, we definitely started at the high end. You're right. It's our Direct Light Ultra. It has our Planar EverCare lifetime limited warranty. So it's all sub 1 millimeter pixel pitch, right? 09, 07, 06. So it's definitely the high end of the market. What we want to do on pricing is we really reduce the MSRP significantly, but we were able to reduce the reseller or dealer price even more. And what that allowed us to do is increase the margin pretty dramatically on these products to our integrators and resellers. And I guess the third thing we did with this price change is we tried to narrow the gap between standard pixel 0.9 millimeter, which we sell, and micro-LED 09. That used to be a huge price gap, and we've reduced that quite considerably. So now somebody considering 0.9 millimeter pitch, they really do have a choice between standard and micro-LED without breaking the bank.
Yeah, and obviously we're moving. At some point in time, we're going to have a crossover between all the other technologies and LEDs, where LED is going to clearly become a leader in every category. And it's going to happen probably in my professional lifetime. And it's going to happen. I remember the days when large projectors that weighed 60 pounds were 100 ANSI lumens, and now we have small projectors that are 10,000 ANSI lumens. And LED all of a sudden has gone from this sort of like thing you saw at a stadium to behind you, right? I mean, that's an LED right there behind you. And that's pretty remarkable how fast that's happening. And you're going to, I'm guessing the whole point here is to accelerate this with micro LED.
You're so right, Gary. And I think it's important to note, Planar has led through multiple transitions over these technology lifetimes, right? So when the world went from projection-based video walls to LCD-based video walls, or when that direction, we pounced, right? We launched our Clarity Matrix. We innovated around this new technology. We embraced the change. We made it easier for our channel partners, and we all won because of it. And so when we see LED coming, and specifically micro LED, we see the same opportunity again, that we can win again. It's a better solution for the customers. Our channel partners are critical to this. We need to make it easier for the customers to access the technology, and also easier for make it worth our channel partners' while. And so I appreciate you mentioned the unique support Planar offers to this industry and to this channel. And I think the pricing change and the margin stack both reflect our commitment to the channel in this evolution of micro LED too.
Anytime you say the margins are better for an integrator, they're going to be happy. But also another element of it is support, and you have support locally, which is I don't know that any other LED company can say that globally like you can. So I want to thank you for joining me today, and of course we're going to link the blog that we're referencing. But of course you can go to planar.com. You can check out their products. They've got a wide range of LED products, but the Direct Light Ultra series is the micro LED series that we've been talking about. Adam, thanks again. And Steve, thanks as always. You've done a phenomenal job educating me on LED over the years. And so I want to say thank you for that personally. And congratulations on your success in 2022.
Thank you very much, Gary.
Yeah, we'll see you all at the trade show circuit kicking off here in a month. Thanks for watching me. And of course, if you want to see all of our rAVe Radio, or our rAVe Radio podcast, just go to ravepubs.com. Have a great day.
Thanks, Gary.
With rants and raves,